Right, this one is an example of finding the length of a line segment, which is an extension or repetition actually of the previous video. If you did not watch them, please watch the previous video on the length of a line segment, which is divided into two parts. And then you will see here that they say that you must show that the 3 points that are given are lying on a straight line. So this really is an extension. So if we look at what is given, they give you 3 points A, B, and C. And now, very important people, take your block paper and draw your A, B, and C. So make yourself an X and a Y axis and plot your point A and B and C. Okay, so already on this, you can see that it is lying on a straight line. Now remember to calculate the length of AB and BC. We are basically making use of the Pythagoras, okay, where we draw a right angle triangle. Remember to calculate this length, it's x2 minus x1, and to calculate that length, it's y2 minus y1. So by now, you should now know this formula, okay, where we take the square root. Firstly, we take the one horizontal line, the shorter horizontal line, and we we add the shorter vertical line to get the length of BC, and we must actually take the square root of those. So once again, I told you in the previous example, write down your two coordinates and label them as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Then write down your formula and now substitute your values, okay? x2 is minus 4, then x1 is negative 7, so you must subtract negative 7, okay? And that must be squared. Actually, here is one bracket missing. You must have another bracket there, sorry. Let me just do that properly. You must have another bracket because this bracket is for substituting the negative 7. Okay, and then in the next step, you find y2, which is negative 2, substitute that, minus, then y1. y1 is negative 4, so substitute negative 4, and that you must square, right? And when you put that into your calculator, you will get the square root of 13. Then similarly, you will have to find the length of BC, right? Write down your B, write down your C, and then label it as x2, y2 and x1, y1. This can be swapped around, it makes no difference, okay? It doesn't matter which one is 1 and which one is 2, okay? Your formula, then substitute, then calculate, then you will get the length of 52, the square root of 52. Okay, then lastly, you must calculate the length of AC, all right, the whole thing. So again, take your point A, take your point C, label it as x2, y2, x1, y1, then write down your formula, substitute the values, okay, put that into your calculator, and you will be given or will get the answer of the square root of 170. So that's what we done in the previous video. No? So that's why I went through very quickly. Right, now if we look at question 2, show that A, B, C lie on a straight line. Right, now for that, you must know the following facts. If you are given any 3 lines, okay, then if AB plus BC is greater than AC, then ABC forms a triangle, okay? If AB plus BC is equal to AC, then ABC forms a straight line. So if AB plus BC is the same as AC, then obviously that is a straight line. But then also importantly, if AB plus BC is less than AC, then this is not a triangle. It can impossibly be a triangle. So look there, if AB plus BC, okay, those two together are smaller than AC, then this will never ever give you a triangle. So in this case, they say that you must prove that ABC lie on a straight line, which means we are going to check that AB plus BC is the same as AC. Okay, so AB plus BC minus AC gives you 0, or AB plus BC equals AC. Okay, so this one is just rewritten, taken the AC taken over to that side, which becomes a minus, and then on that side you've got nothing left, so that is 0. All right, so then you take your answer from the top there. AB is the square root of 13, okay, then BC is the square root of 52 that you must add, and now we're going to subtract AC, all right, which is the square root of 117, and if you put that into your calculator, you will get 0, all right, which means that lies on a straight line. Or if you take this one and you just simply substitute your answers, then AB